So I found a nice worksheet on addition and subtraction by either counting up or counting down after you start at a particular number. And what I want to show is how we can use this app here to make the activity a bit more fun. So one of the problems asks that we start at 14 and then we count down 5. So what I'll do right here is I'll grab the slider, come on up to 14, and if I want to count down 5, I can slide to the left here, but it's tough to keep track. So check this out. I start at 14, right? And I just swipe left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to get my answer is 9. If I want a little better way to keep track of that, I can start at 14. I can hit this little, I'm not sure if you saw that little plus and minus button up there. Swipe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can see how much there were, right? 14. I can see how many are missing, and I can see how many are left right there, 9. Works the other way around too. Suppose you were asked to start at 18, I think is one of the problems, and count up 1, 2. Look at that again. So I started at 18, I hit the plus and minus button right there, and then I swiped 1, 2. And at this point, you don't really quite need to swipe. You can pretty easily see that there's 1, 2 have been added, and where do I wind up? Right there at 20, right? So this worksheet is fairly simple. It just asks you to start at a number, count up, count down. You can zoom in and out here depending on where it's asking you to start at. One more thing, swiping up and down will add and subtract 10. So if you have a student who's not exactly engaged right away when they see a worksheet like this, take this app. It's also linked below. Give it a shot, have them play with it for a bit, and see if they can get through it and have a bit more fun.